let us look at Prophet Passion Java and Enzo Aisha's relationship. Welcome back to this channel, your favorite channel, your channel of choice. We do social commentary videos every single day. So if this is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe. And also, we are having a lot of videos, Nas. So the videos are going to be down below in the comments box. To read some comments. First comment inengeri pinned, and I'm going to put my links in my videos mangwe acho and Nas. So you just need to click on that so that you can watch them. So let's get into today's story. Prophet Passion Java and Enzo Aisha. If you didn't know about this issue, there was a time last year, like all along, patakatanga was a Prophet Passion Java. Enzo Aisha. Then late last year we covered my stories why. Late last year pane nyaya dzakatanga kuitika dzekuti Enzo Aisha akazonza akazenga meno ndiana akasiya mumwe. Is it Enzo Aisha akasiya Prophet Passion Java or Prophet Passion Java ndo akasiya Enzo Aisha? Isusu takazongoona pabunzi zvakubudawo manewspaper chichi kwautozonzwa zvakutozonzi Enzo Aisha aenda ku T-Mark Promotions, and vanhu vakawanda didn't know about T-Mark Promotions. And then, we have got the stories here on this channel. But there is something that happened pakaitika nyaya idzi dzese zvadzo, because Enzo Aisha akatomboita time yaakatombobvunzwa, like he was having some interviews, people asking him, Enzo Aisha, what is it that happened between you and Prophet Passion Java? Some people were saying it was a result of the issue kuti Enzo Aisha hanzi vane song yakazobudisa inonzi highest score saka chichichi pakangobuda matheories akawanda. Some of those theories are just like very weird ones and they don't make any sense, some of them. But what happened is Enzo Aisha akaratidza kuva newisdom. That's one thing chandogara ndichitaura, even in the videos dandakataura mashure. I said Enzo Aisha has shown a level of wisdom pakuti when he was being asked about this whole issue, aingotaura kuti inini I just want to thank Prophet Passion Java for everything that he did for me, even though also like some of the things that he was expecting, because according to what he was saying, he was expecting to be taken international. So maybe anogona nge akafungidzira kuti haasi kuzoendeswa international, or maybe Prophet Passion Java was just like maybe testing him. So I don't know what was happening. I don't even know. I don't want to do speculation, tichispeculator zvinhu zvatisingazii. But chinhu chakazotanga kuitika ndechekuti most people started thinking kuti Enzo Aisha na Prophet Passion Java vakamakana, or vatori like vatori tange mapolitical party atori two akatosiyana. Ndakaona hangu zvimwe zvinhu zvaitika kuna Enzo Aisha. There was a time like pakatanga ma-lockdown, Enzo Aisha wasn't really available. Ukatarisa ma-lockdowns akatanga ma-lockdown events akatangisisa ananagaramba nemamwe aingonzi ma-lockdown live chichi akasiyana-siyana, mamwe aitosponsor neNash TV, Enzo Aisha wasn't available kune mamwe acho like earlier. Ndakazomboita time yandakaona pamwe akatomboita imwe anenge akaita ega here or something yakaitwa ina inenge yakasponsorwa na T-Mark or something like that. I don't know what happened earlier tichitanga ma-lockdowns. But iko zvino manje, as we are moving or as we have moved, takatanga kuona Enzo Aisha akutanga kuwanikwa pane mamwe events, and it seems as if Enzo Aisha na Prophet Passion Java varatange vanenge vakutanga kuda kutanga kufambidzana, and I don't know if we should say vadzokerana or vakudzokerana because it will sound weird. So recently, the reason why I'm saying this is because recently ndakaona Prophet Passion Java vachiita mavideos ava anoita aya vachiendosa vanhu vachiti unza song iyi chichichichichi. Ndakazoona certain video yavakaita vachiendosa Enzo Aisha, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's a good one. Then recently as well, there's a song yakaburitswa na Enzo Aisha. Let me show you what I saw recently. There is a song yakaburitswa na Enzo Aisha, and this is the song inonzi vakamhanya makarimwa. So far at the time of the making of this video yaane 17 hours yaitwa, and it has got 22,120 views. Andunza yakapremiere 17 hours ago. Saura kuti haisati yasvika 24 hours. But pandandiona video I could notice what I am seeing here. If you see pakanzi powered by Passion Java. Anduna. So it means Passion Java is the one who sponsored this video according to what I am seeing or according to what you and me are seeing here. Okay, so let me show you some of the things that I saw as well in this video. Ukarasa pane mambo akaexplaina iye Enzo Aisha. I think akatsanangura nyaya yekuti hanzi this song was sponsored by Prophet Passion Java, which means Prophet Passion Java has actually come back to sponsor Enzo Aisha. And I just want to ask you, Kuti, what is it that you think about this new development? Because this is something that is new. I don't know if people have been noticing it, but it seems as if Prophet Passion Java and Enzo Aisha vadzokirana. But what I can say is, I think Enzo Aisha akagona pakuti pakabukana na Prophet Passion Java kana vakabukana, because I don't really know, because Enzo Aisha it seems as if pese aita akabvunza aitati ina nambra nambonetsana nawo anova. So pavakabudana Enzo Aisha akaradza wisdom pakuti haana kutukirira, haana kusiyatara kana kuti hapana kuita muromo wakawandisisa, and this has given him a chance to come back to him. But panyaya kuzoti come back to Prophet Passion Java, I don't know if we are saying he is coming back to Prophet Passion Java. Why? Because he is with T-Mac and they actually signed my contracts, and I don't know the terms and conditions of the contract, but according to what I heard T-Mac saying, there was a time when he said Enzo Aisha has been given Enzo Aisha has been given full 100% creative ability. That is what T-Mac said. He said Enzo Aisha is free to work with any Enzo Aisha is free to work with any stakeholder in the music industry in Zimbabwe. So I don't know if that includes coming or going to Prophet Passion Java, and also I don't know if there is something that is happening with T-Mac. But the good thing is Enzo Aisha is pushing, not coming back as such, but he's pushing, and we are just happy for his career. So let me know what you think in the comments box. Do you think it's a good thing that Enzo Aisha is back with Prophet Passion Java, or you think he is making a mistake? Because some people were thinking that he was making a mistake by working with Prophet Passion Java in the first place. But we are seeing some things that are happening. I think you saw a certain video, Uncle Epatan. Okay, we'll talk about that in another video, but don't forget to check out the videos that I did in the comments box. It's going to be in the pinned comment and also in the description box. So as usual, I'm gonna see you in the next video.